Do you keep score? I'm keeping score.
I'm trying to buy a house here. I got bigger problems.
I'm heading to a fiesta hosted by one of my employees, Taylor. Now, her and all her friends, they want to get into home ownership. They're thinking about buying real estate, and I'm the real estate guy. So I've been invited along to have some fun, fill my belly, but also answer some of their important questions. This should be fun.
So for whatever reason, my friends are super excited to hang out with you.
Because you're the coolest boss ever, baby.
Guys, this dude followed me home from work.
Hey guys, she told me she had friends. I didn't believe her, so I had to come by and check it out myself.
I had to prove it. I know you guys have questions. I get to ask my questions whenever I want, so I figured I'd let him follow me home this time.
I thought you said we were drinking and eating.
We are. There's gonna be food, but I think we should probably beat you in some games first.
I'm curious about why home ownership should be on my radar in the first place.
You don't have to be into home ownership if you want to be poor your whole life. You make money at your job, it's income. Even if you make $50,000 a year, you pay income taxes, you only take home 30, let's say. Whereas if you own a home and it's worth $100,000 and it goes up to $200,000, you get to keep the extra $100,000, no taxes.
Right.
I always say real estate is like a yo-yo on an escalator. It's gonna go up and down a little bit, but it's gonna go up and down all the way up. What's in that drink?
That's a good question. We're sort of in a renter's world.
Yeah.
So what are some tips that can take me sort of into home ownership?
You should try to get pre-approved for a mortgage. There's no reason why you can't get pre-approved. Anyone who tells you you're too young to own real estate is, you shouldn't listen to those people, because legally, after you turn 18, you're good to go.
So I should block all those people out of my life.
Don't let us down. Yes, that's my partner.
I have been dying to eat these churros.
Looks good,
all day.
I feel like you two have something in common.
Yes. I think so. Before I ever worked for you, I worked with Amber. This is her twin, Victoria.
Victoria,
So
and
Amber,
wait a second, Victoria, you're the one who already owns the property.
Yeah.
I do, yes. And Amber lives with me. Yep.
You're a renter?
No, I'm not a renter. I live for free.
What? Sisterly love. I'm not gonna charge my sister.
I need a twin.
Yeah.
Do you want to buy a house?
Yes, I do. I'm very interested in buying my own place.
What you should do is you should start practicing for a mortgage. Mortgage could be $1,500 a month.
Yeah.
Start putting $1,500 aside on the first of every month. If you can do that for a year, then you've trained yourself and you've proven that you can, in fact, pay a mortgage and follow that. Plus, you're going to save $18,000 up towards a down payment.
What about using a local agent?
20 years ago, there was no such way for any of us to go online and look at real estate. Today, there are platforms like owners.com where you can do all the research, you can access the MLS properties, but you can also access agents. You can still talk to somebody who is a licensed agent and they can put the offer together for you. And when you actually make that purchase in certain markets, you get a rebate on closing, which could be up to 1.5% of the purchase price, which makes a huge difference when you're buying your first home.
Churro cheers.
Second most important thing after home ownership is finding her a boyfriend.
Will you co-sign with me?